In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your Gmail address. To do this, open up new tab and search gmail.com and make sure you sign into your account and select profile icon and select manage your Google account. Select personal info, select email, select Google account email, click on this right arrow, select change Google account email and scroll down. And now you can able to change your Google account email. I'm gonna change it to if it was taken, then it will be saying username is taken. Once you get this option, change email, select change email option and select yes, change email. Google email has successfully changed to this email. Right now, I changed. For the changes take effect, just reload the Gmail. And as you can see, it's successfully changed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.